Hi! Today I'm gonna show you how to draw this eye. First we need an app where we can draw. It can be IBIS Paint, Procreate or whatever you want. I'll draw in IBIS Paint. So first I change the color of the background. I choose light beige one. And now I'm sketching the shape of the eye. Then I make the outline. That's it! Now we lighten the eyelashes using a nail brush. Now we just erase it a little. Now reduce the opacity and add a new layer. Now we'll make the eyelashes clearer. Now we need to color the white part of the eye. And make the dark shadows on it. Now pick the lighter color and make the transition between white part and dark shadow. Pick the base color of the eye and fill the iris with it. Now pick the darker color because we'll draw a pupil. And now draw a shadow like this. Then draw a glare with white color. Now take a color darker than the pupil and make an outline with a shadow on it. Now take lavender color and repeat after me. And now we'll make the glowing effect for our eye. Now we'll change a little the outline of the iris. And of the eyelashes too. Now we make little gradient for the iris. And make layers on the eyelashes. Now I want to make the skin color a little darker. And make the glares brighter. Make tiny circles like this. Okay, now we'll draw the eyelids. Just repeat after me. Now let's make it all a little more lively. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Like the video, subscribe on my channel. Bye!